Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a task called the Atlanta Zoo. So the Atlanta Zoo will be receiving 18 new animals. Some are zebras, some are chimpanzees, and some are giraffes. How many of each kind could they be receiving? So it's kind of a surprise. We don't know which one. So let's see how many different combinations that we could make. So let's see, I have my zebras, my chimpanzees, and my giraffes here, and I have a math tool here. It is some 10 frames, and a 10 frame is going to help me. So if I know that if I have 18, how many of the two 10 frames will not be filled up? I know I would fill up this 10 and then 8 more here, so there would be 2 spots on this 10 frame that we won't use. Okay, so are you ready to help me? Okay, so what if we only have one giraffe? Not giraffe, one zebra. Thanks for correcting me there. One zebra come. If we only have one zebra come and we have just one chimpanzee, how many giraffes would we have? Let's see. Let's fill it all the way up until we have a total of 18 animals. Going all the way, we have 14 now, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So now I know if I had 2 more, I'd have 20, but I only have 18. So let's make an equation here. Let's make an equation. We know that we have one zebra. How many chimpanzees? Just one chimpanzees and one chimpanzee. And how many giraffes? So let's see. We know we have 8 here because I can see 4 and 4. So 8 and 2 more make 10. And then I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's check our math and see if we're right, because we should have a total of 18. So 16 plus the chimpanzee, 17, and the giraffe is 18. Great. So let's fill in our data chart. So we used one zebra. I think what I'll do here is actually type it so it's a little bit neater. That's okay. Okay, so we have one zebra and one chimpanzee, and we have 16 giraffes. So that is one combination that we could have. Let's see if we can build another one. What if this time we have 2 zebras come? If we have 2 zebras, then and we have 1 chimpanzee, 2 zebras, and 1 chimpanzee, how many giraffes do we have? That's right, I took away 1 of those giraffes, so I think it's going to be 15. So let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if I have 15 giraffes, add 1 more for the chimpanzee, that's 16, and 2 more, 17, 18. I know that is one combination that the zoo could get. So we are going to fill in our data chart here. So this time I have 2 zebras and 1 chimpanzee, and I have 15 giraffes. So what if this time we have 3 zebras? If I have 3 zebras, how many, let me get my pen, 3 zebras and 1 chimpanzee, how many giraffes do I have? Well, I think that I'm going to have 14. Would you agree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, I have 14. And if I have 14 giraffes and I add 1 more chimpanzee, that makes 15. And let's add our 3 zebras. So we have 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18 total animals. So let's put that in our data chart. So this time we have 3 zebras and 1 chimpanzee, and now we have 14 giraffes. So let's do another one. What if this time I have 2 chimpanzees? Let's see, how many giraffes would I have? So I have 3 zebras and 2 chimpanzees. Let's count our giraffes. I know I have 5 here because it's 3 and 2. So 5, and then I know I have 5 here. That's 10, 11, 12, 13. I also know I did have 14 and I took 1 away. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 total animals. So let's enter this into our data chart. I still had 3 zebras, but this time I had 2 chimpanzees and 13 giraffes. Do you think we could find another combination? I'm going to erase this to give us a little bit more room so we can draw our new equations. So what if this time we have 3 zebras and 3 chimpanzees? That's the same number, isn't it? Same number of zebras as chimpanzees. So let's write our equation. 3 zebras and 3 chimpanzees, and the rest are giraffes. Let's see how many. I know 5 and 3 more is 8, and I know if I had 2 more it would make 10, so I'm going to use these 2 to make 10, 11, 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18 animals. Let's put that in our data chart. So we have 3 zebras, 3 chimpanzees, and 12 giraffes. Now, for our last one, I'm going to make it a little challenge here. What if they told us that there were the same number of giraffe, chimpanzees, and zebras? Do you think we can do that? So let's see. So if I start out with 3 zebras and 3 chimpanzees and 3 giraffes, would that be 18? No, that would not be 18. So we need to have more. Let's erase this so we can think about this next part. So what if I have 4? What if I have 4 zebras? I would need 4 chimpanzees and 4 giraffes. Would that be 18? No, I can look, and this is 10 because all of them are filled in, and 2 more, that's 12. So let's add another zebra. So now how many zebras do I have? That's right, this whole side of the 10 frame is filled up, so I know that's 5. So I have 5 chimpanzees, and now I need 5 giraffes. So how many do I have? 5, 10, 15. Oh, that's not enough. So let's add 1 more zebra, 1 more chimpanzee, and 1 more giraffe. So how many zebras do I have? So I know I have these 5 and 1 more. That makes 6. Okay, so let's write that down. So we have 6 zebras. And how many chimpanzees do we have? Well, we know we have these 5 and 1 more. So yes, we have 6 chimpanzees. And I'm going to put chimp for short. And then how many giraffes do we have? We know we have 5 here, and the 1 more is 6. So, do we have 18? Well, we know if this was filled up, we would have 20. So yes, that is 18. So 6 zebras and 6 chimpanzees and 6 giraffes make 18 total animals. So let's put that in our data chart. So we could get the same amount, right? 6 and 6 and 6. We could also continue to do more combinations of different animals that would be coming to the zoo. Great job today, boys and girls, finding different combinations of 18.